Well, hello. It's time to check on my red wigglers and European night crawlers. It's been over a week. I sold 2,000 worms to a friend of mine. So let's see what's going on in my worm bins. All right, red wigglers, let's see what's going on in here. Got some sprouts growing in there. What I'm going to do is get ready to harvest my castings. I was going to do them last time, but I got too busy. And it took a lot of time to get in that process, but we're good to go now. So I'm just going to feed this side for now. Get all those worms to start migrating on this side here. So I have some scraps I'm going to add in here. A little bit of mold on some of these scraps, but the worms will eat that. So here they go. They got eggshells, some bananas, some paper. All I'm going to do is cover this up. Now let's go look at the Euros. All right, Euros. So what's going on in here? A lot of castings. I am going to have to hook these guys up because they're going to need definitely some fresh new bedding. So right now, let me just rotate the stuff around, the bedding. But I will give them some new bedding because they are due. So let's take care of that real quick. All right, when it comes to your worms, this is what you're looking for. The black gold, the castings, and if you have sprouts in your bin, that's a good thing too, because that means that your worm castings are really nutritious. And what you do if the sprouts are in there, you just take them out. I mean, just pull them up and throw them back in the bin because the worms will eat them. But I'm putting some fresh bedding in here. Give my worms a cleaner environment. And then I'm gonna give them some food scraps. Food scraps are gonna go in there as well. Just gonna cover it up. I'm going to call it good. But that's it for now. If you liked the video, please like, subscribe, and have a great day. Bye.